Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all, depending on where you are watching from. And thank you so much for stopping by. So for this channel, in our pidgin now, we go they use they do am sumo. So Niger Delta Democratic Union, they don't drag the federal government go court. And waiting they cause this katakata be say the money where the former governor of Delta State carry go London, James Ibori, where the British government return come give Nigerian government, they try to do mago so that they go fit corner the money. So this group they don't come outside come talk say this one go fit happen before our very eye. So for this one, they drag them go court. So I go just read out the statement where they release for now. Then we go finish the remaining one for the comment section. Niger Delta Democratic Union has filed a lawsuit before the Federal High Court in Asaba challenging the federal government decision to declare itself sole owner of the $4.2 million recovered from the former governor of Delta State, James Ibori, by the British government. The federal government was accused of financial terrorism and gluttony in a statement released by the group's facilitator. They reiterated that the people of Delta State lucidly possesses the undisputable alludia title over these funds and as such should be the exclusive beneficiaries of same. The statement read, "We have watched with paralyzing suspicion the galaxy of controversies and cocktails of cacophony trailing the returned loot. We are, however, appalled by the federal government unilateral decision to sequestrate and or declare sole owner over the said £4.2 million by deciding how same is to be put into use and which said usage is regrettably for developing areas outside Delta State, which is actually the real owner of these returned funds. Indeed, to us and the tendencies we represent, this is an act of financial terrorism and physical gluttony, to say the least. The people of Delta State lucidly possesses the undisputable alludia title over these funds, and as such should be inclusive beneficiaries of same. In that spirit of proclivity for justice and in concord with even the scanty physical federal implant in the 1999 Constitution, we have through the labyrinth and groundswell of unanimity decided to challenge the centrifugal posturing of the federal government on this vast issue, as adumbrated by the Attorney General of the Federation. Accordingly, an attention has been filed at the Federal High Court, Asaba, to challenge this unprovoked onslaught and unrestrained belligerence against our constitution and the people of Delta State. All right, guys, and that is it for you all. You all can see, when I see I'm say these people, they say maybe not by English with all this many English where they speak, so nothing that they feel they use them they do. People will be say they no fit pronounce their name, they still they rule us, they use us, they do anyhow, they use us, they play football. Now this one now they vex me for all this many English where they just simple something where you go settle down, explain, make people understand. You they speak all this many English. At the end of the day, nothing good go come outside from them. So now these ones, them all this school, I don't first talk am before say if maybe as you dey so if they speak all this many English, they use and they do impact, that means your school na waste. So wetin they try to talk for here now, pass say they pass say them themselves they surprised as how these people take they do mago for inside this money. They try to corner and put for their own selves, and they talk say even the money now where they recover, say they want use and take do something, even the thing where they want use and take do, reach their part, which is Delta State, where be the place where the money come from. They talk say they want use and take do according to how waiting the Attorney General of the Federation talk. They say they want use and take do whether na Abuja Kaduna Road, Lagos and Enemy Road, and all of this one, in all of these things, the way they make sure even get the one where reach Delta State, which is for my own part, I see them as injustice, because this money now from their side they from come. So even if maybe na government where, if these people na government where they reason, government where they think before they talk, at least even though na small percentage of the money now go the Delta State where be say this money from come, if or not cost wahala, but these people all the time if they do something, they know they use their brain, they must do and the way it go take cause trouble, because anytime where you don't reach for money, their eye they open, their eye they tear reach back. But when you don't reach to work, when you don't reach for them to do the main reason why they appoint them for office, they go they draw back. If to say maybe na citizens that they kill, or maybe na another thing now they happen to the people of Delta State, they no go come outside. But because of saying money, they don't come they claim responsibility. So for me, no be by all this too much English where these people they speak, e no go help matter. Now for them to take decision. Now that they drag them, they go court, which if to say na country where law for the work, na very good thing, na very good decision. But even the court where they draw them, they go now. Which people they manage the court? No be federal government. Now them they manage them. So imagine wetin go come outside. You know how many people don't draw this same federal government to court. At the end of the day, nothing good they come outside from her. So at the end of the day, they go still sweep the matter under carpet because not them. The people who are even blamed for this matter now the British government will carry this money come back, because they know say the federal government where they return this money come give, they very corrupt, and this money where they carry come give them, so they go reloot am. They know that one. It dey very clear to them say the federal government of Nigeria dey very corrupt. So even the British themselves, they be one of the problem we will get for that country, because they don't contribute to so many things where they worry us for that country. So why they no return the money to the original state where the money for comot, if maybe they really want help us? Because that day that woman just they talk for their UK will not be a safe haven to any corrupt politician. But even as I'm talking to you now, the UK self na safe haven. Now there all our politicians they thief our money, they carry they go. Now there, and they not go fit deny this fact. So for the fact say they carry Ibori money come back, no mean say our money don't finish for their country. During the NSAS protest, she be one of the lawmaker talk and say our politicians they carry our money, they come their country, that even go and self carry half of central bank come there. So he talk am. How many people talk about him? How many people we only talk am for some days, at the end of the day he die. But these things are not supposed to be normal. But now only Nigeria now abnormal things they normal. So it don't take, not be today. This their case. So if we say make we look am with Nigeria way, if we just make we take am the way Nigeria things, which I know say e no go escape, because now the Nigeria now we still dey, now the same old set of people now still dey rule us. Anything never change. This their case now just dead on arrival. E no get anything where anybody go fit do about am. Now the country where we find ourselves now be this one. The people where they supposed to they speak for us, the people where they supposed to they defend us, they fight for us, all of them they don't dey compromised. So we the ordinary people we dey helpless. So even the judiciary know they work, the National Assembly know they work, nothing they work. Now the same set of people now they control everything. So not get any better thing we go come outside for inside. And that is it for you. Or I rest my case for here. I go just allow una make una share una thoughts with me on the comment section. I don't rant for this video. And this one here bring me to the end of this video. Please let me know what you think on the comment section. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Remain blessed until I come your way next time. Bye bye.